Very hot. Let's build a sea cafe with cool drinks for guests. First, we need to assemble garbage collector. We did it! Filling garbage collector. Pump. That's all. Let's clean up the trash. It's time to head for the port. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Pull the lever down to sound a... There are rocks directly ahead. Right rudder. We're approaching a coral reef. Right rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Wow, a new sticker! Keep up the good work. We have to assemble split barge. That's all. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. We did it! And now, let's load the materials into split barge. We did it! Let's make the island base. A sticker! You're doing really great. Let's assemble a stacker ship and a barge. Keep it up. First, we have to fill it. Stacker ship. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build the breakwaters. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. There's an island up. Attention, another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast to clear the way. There are rocks directly ahead. Right rudder. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. First, let's assemble a dredger and a barge. Keep up the good work. Filling. Dredger. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's fill in the island. Let's repair. Dredger. We need to straighten the screw. Hooray! Look, it's a sticker! Done! We have to assemble container ship. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Container ship. Pump. That's all. Let's load the materials into container ship. Ready. Let's reinforce the shores. Keep up the good work. First, we need to assemble ship carrier. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Ship carrier. Press the... Done! Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Hooray! Let's add some plants. We need to wash. Ship carrier. Keep it up. And a cargo ferry. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Crane ship. Press the... Ready. Let's build a sea cafe. Let's repair. Crane ship. Let's clean the chain and anchor from rust. Let's clean the anchor and chain with a sandblaster. Let's drag the spray gun to paint the chain and anchor. Don't stop. We have to assemble blue barge. Amazing! Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Hooray! And now, let's load the materials into blue barge. Keep it up. Let's build the pier. It's time to head for the port. There's an island on our way. Left rudder. We're approaching a coral reef. Right rudder. Rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. Let's repair. Red barge. Let's straighten the screw. Done! Now we need to fill it. Red barge! Press the pump. Done! Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Done! And now, let's load the materials into red barge. Hooray! Let's place the electrical cabinet. We need to assemble cable laying ship. Don't stop. First, we have to fill it. Cable laying ship. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's connect the electricity. Let's watch cable laying ship. Keep up the good work. Look, it's a sticker. Keep it up. Let's repair. Yellow barge. Let's weld a crack on the ship. Let's sand the welding seam. And now let's paint the stain. Hooray! Let's load the materials into yellow barge. Hooray! Let's prepare for the guests. The construction of the Sea Cafe is complete. It's a nice place to enjoy an ice cream while relaxing on hot days.